Hi everyone, if you're going to be funded by Fundi and you've been wondering how to upload your bank details to their system, keep watching to find out. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships and bursaries, as well as any information you need about studying and your future career. Fundi is a leading South African education finance specialist. They strive to help students achieve their dreams by covering the costs relating to their tertiary education through education loans. These Fundi loans cover a range of expenses to enable students to pursue their studies without experiencing the financial burden while doing so. If you are funded by Fundi, you'll receive allowances. Your cash and transport allowances will be paid via an EFT into your personal bank account. In order for this to be done, you must upload your banking details via the Fundi Card student portal. To do this, you need to go to mycard.fundi.co.za and click on Upload Banking Details and follow the prompts. If your funds are not loaded on your bank card, then you should make an inquiry at the Campus Financial Aid Office of your institution or at the bursar or sponsor. If you still need to activate your Fundi card so that you can use it, you must go to the Fundi office at your campus and remember to take your original ID card or passport with you. The activation process is simple. They will swipe your card and enter your student number or ID number. You will then enter your unique PIN number and re-enter it so that it can be verified. As soon as the activation process is complete, your card will be registered and ready for you to transact your funds. Head to our website to find out all you need to know about Fundi loans, as well as other student loans and bursaries. Comment down below what you're studying or plan to study, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.